Simon and the Birds by Travis Schaefer, illustrated by Brad Blahnik. Simon is visiting the zoo. Today, he is learning about birds. Simon sees a bald eagle. The bald eagle is born light gray. They get their white heads when they are 4 to 5 years old. They were close to extinction, but now there are laws protecting them. The bald eagle has been the national symbol of the United States since 1782. Simon sees an owl. The owl has very large eyes and a flat face. Most owls are nocturnal and hunt for their food at night. An owl can rotate their heads and necks as much as 270 degrees in either direction. That is turning almost all the way around. Simon sees a parrot. Parrots have curved beaks and 4 toes on each foot, 2 pointing forward, 2 pointing backward. Many parrots are popular pets. Some of them can imitate sounds and even human speech. Simon sees an American white pelican. Pelicans have a large elastic pouch on their throat to catch fish. They do not store fish in their bill, but swallow it whole after catching it. The American white pelican can hold up to 3 gallons of water in its bill. Simon sees a flamingo. Flamingos have pink feathers, tall legs, and curved necks. They feed by filtering water with their beak and tongue. A flamingo's legs are longer than its body, and its eyes are larger than its brain. Simon sees a hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world. They are the only birds that can fly forward and backward. Hummingbirds' hearts can beat up to 1,260 times per minute. Simon sees an emperor penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that live in Antarctica. During the winter, they huddle together in very large groups to stay warm. The females lay 1 egg. The male stands and covers the egg to keep it warm for 65 days. These animals are birds. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrae with feathers and wings. Simon learns a lot at the zoo. Simon's favorite bird was the hummingbird. What was your favorite? The end.